Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Aventador 50th anniversary edition by Bburago. And so I bought this from one of the Facebook seller, I think around 750 rupees if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So you just need to get it from the right seller. Okay, let's take it out. Okay. So I have Aventador actually, but I actually don't have this 50th anniversary edition so far. There's a cellophane tape here. So they actually follow Tomica's way of doing things, if you ask me. It's plastic wrapper inside and outside, that small box and everything. Okay. So here it is. Honestly, this is a very lightweight casting. It is not heavy. And the headlights are just painted in black. I really wish they had some kind of acrylic here. The logo placement is okay, but it is not really that great. But the engine detailing looks really nice. Let me just put some more light and see. Engine detailing looks really nice. So it does have this rear view mirrors, but it's okay. So tires are plastic. The chassis doesn't have any detailing. I think the actual car doesn't have any detailing on the chassis because to improve that traction and airflow, I think they closed this part if I'm not wrong. This is how it looks if I'm not wrong. So, but the casting doesn't look really nice if you ask me. So it has tail light detailing also. This one is just painted on. Honestly, man, this casting looks really stupid if you ask me. It doesn't really worth 750 or 800. So the paint job also doesn't look really good. Wow. I think I wasted my money on this one. So Bburago castings are okay, but not everything looks good. Maybe one or two castings. At least out of 10, 3 to 4 castings looks like this. The Renault which you unboxed, that was really stupid. It had see, the ground clearance looks really stupid. It looks a cheap plastic toy car if you ask me. Like this 150 to 200 rupees car. Honestly, compared to this, Hot Wheels did better if you ask me. Maybe apart from the engine detailing here. Let me see if I can open this. I don't think so. No. Okay, let's weigh this casting. Just 35 grams. And I'm pretty sure it is not going to roll really well in the track. Yeah, it does a lot of wheel wobble on both wheels and doesn't even roll. You can see that, right? it pitches really a lot like this. Honestly, man, nothing much to say about this casting. Honestly, nothing good to say about this casting if you ask me. Please don't waste your money, buying this particular one. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.